anxiety.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to
People don't understand that anxiety is not something someone can control or have an on or off switch. It can happen at any moment. At the gym, at home, in the car, anywhere. We worry about the stupid little things, the things that don't matter, but we still worry, and we can't get out. We are stuck. Most of the time, there is no problem. There's no reason, there's just feelings, and I'm feeling them all at once. It's the feeling of being in fight or flight mode. I am always overwhelmed by that feeling, where your heart won't slow down, and your mind is freaking out, and your palms are sweaty, and I can't help but feel like I did something wrong constantly. I'm overwhelmed by anxiety. And I can't stop shaking or checking my heartbeat every 2 seconds, and there's no way to stop it, and I'm absolutely miserable. And I can't stop thinking about how it'd be if it just stopped. Escape is not an option here. I'm living in a state of fear. I lied and said I was busy. I was busy, but not in a way most people understand. I was busy taking deep breaths. I was busy silencing irrational thoughts. I was busy calming my racing heart. I was busy telling myself I'm okay. Sometimes this is my busy, and I won't apologize for it. Wait, do you think they're mad at me for being busy? Here I go again. Oversensitive, emotional. Sorry that I feel everything so deep. Guess I'll just go to sleep. Oh right, I can't sleep. I can't breathe. I inhale, I exhale, but I feel no relief. I can't breathe. My throat is getting tighter and my lungs are getting smaller and I can't breathe. My eyes are getting fuller, my heart is beating harder and I can't breathe. My hands won't stop shaking and my mask is slowly cracking and I can't breathe. My thoughts are getting louder and my voice is getting smaller and I can't breathe. My patience with you is fading and your hope for me is dwindling and I can't breathe. I'm suffocating, I'm drowning, and I can't breathe. I opened Google if I have any type of symptom and started to convince myself I have any type of disease or sickness. Am I dying? To the people who don't know what anxiety feels like, you ever touched your pocket and didn't feel your phone? That shock moment? Yeah, that feeling. Just people with anxiety have it all the time. At least I do.